easy question on shoulder dystocia. There was an image given and they had asked which two maneuvers are shown in this picture. So one maneuver which is being shown is the Mac-Roberts maneuver, right? And the other maneuver which is being shown is the suprapubic pressure. What is the indication for performing this maneuver? The indication is shoulder dystocia. You can briefly write the definition of shoulder dystocia here. That is failure of delivery of the shoulders despite delivery of the head for 1 minute. This is the theoretical definition. Practical definition is that any maneuver, any situation where you require maneuvers to deliver the shoulder is shoulder dystocia. Right, four other maneuvers which should be used sequentially for this condition. For this, you should remember the helper mnemonic. What is the helper mnemonic? H is call for help, E is episiotomy, L is legs, that is the Mac-Roberts maneuver, P is suprapubic pressure. These are your first line maneuvers. If these fail, then you go to the second line maneuvers. So this is now sequentially. We usually enter the rotational maneuvers. This is the Rubens and the Woods corkscrew or Woods screw maneuver. ER is remove the posterior arm. Some guidelines say we do this first. Either way, you can do one of them first. And then if you go, but it's best to go by this mnemonic because this mnemonic is universally accepted. Next R is roll the patient on all fours. Roll on all fours. That is the Gaskin maneuver. These are your second line maneuvers. And if these fail, you go to the third line maneuvers, which are the Zavanelli maneuver, that is pushing the head back and doing a cesarean section, or a cleidotomy, that is fracturing the baby's clavicles, or a symphysiotomy, that is fracturing the maternal pubic symphysis. So this is what you would do. Just write the helper mnemonic, but not the first line because first line ho chuka hai. Uske baad the second and third line maneuvers. What should be the optimum duration for safe delivery of baby? So for safe delivery of the baby, remember this is the same for shoulder dystocia and for after coming head of breech also. 5 minutes. 5 minutes ke baad hypoxia is going to set in and this baby can be born hypoxic. So it's very important that every maneuver that you should try should be for 15-20 seconds. If not delivering, move on. If not delivering, move on. Don't wait beyond that.